cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Courtney. Today I have got two budget-friendly DIYs for you, and when I say they're budget-friendly, like literally costs no money to make, and you don't have to go to Dollar Tree to make them this cheap. The best part about this video is it is a collaboration with Kat from According to Kat. She reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked me if I would be interested in doing this collab, and of course I said yes, because I do follow her channel and she does awesome Dollar Tree DIYs, trash to treasure. So please go check out her video when you are done watching mine. Drop the cowboy emoji or the scissors to let her know that you are visiting from my channel. And if you are from Kat's channel, thank you so much for coming over. I hope you will consider sticking around. I love to do, as the title of this video, budget-friendly DIYs and home decor. I also have a Facebook group and Instagram page where you can find bonus DIYs, monthly challenges, a little behind the scenes. Everything is linked down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into today's video, and don't forget to stay tuned till the end because I've got lots of DIY shoutouts for you to enjoy. All right, let's go. For the first DIY, I will be making wooden gingerbread houses out of a 2x4 that I had in my garage. So basically what I did was I cut the roof line with my miter saw set to 45 degrees, and then I gave them a light sanding with my sander. Now if you don't have a miter saw, you can get a miter saw box and cut the angles just as easily, just you need a little more elbow grease for that. But after I did that, I brought them inside, and now I'm going to be using some of this hazelnut Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to end up painting 3 coats of paint all over the houses. Once the houses were painted, I grabbed my little sketchbook that I dump a whole bunch of ideas down into, and I kind of scrolled through Pinterest and just decided to go ahead and do a rough sketch of what I wanted my little houses to look like. So that way, when I went to go put the glue stick or the icing on there, that I knew what I was doing. I was gonna pencil on the wood, but I felt like if for some reason I didn't cover up the pencil mark, trying to erase the pencil marks once I got the glue on there was gonna be kind of tricky. So right now I'm just kind of designing what I want to do, and then from that point I'll be ready to start adding my white glue to my houses. Okay, and now comes the fun part. So taking some of these white glue sticks from Surebonder and my detail tip glue gun, my cordless detail tip glue gun from Surebonder, I am going to be using that to put the quote-unquote icing on my gingerbread house. Now, if you don't have this glue gun or don't want to go this route, you could use white puffy paint. Just keep in mind that the dry time for that is going to be a little bit longer, so that's another reason why I liked working with the glue sticks. Or you could just paint it with regular paint as well, but I kind of wanted that 3D effect, so that is why I'm using the glue sticks. Now, the other thing is if you don't want to do the neutral route, which is what I'm doing, I'm just doing the brown and the white. They do make all kinds of colored glue sticks. I have them. There's regular red, glitter white, glitter iridescent, glitter green, gold, silver. I mean, every color you can imagine. So you could certainly do a more traditional gingerbread house with all the colors if you wanted to. And just like that, this project is done. Seriously, this was a super easy project to do, and you definitely could make a whole village of these little gingerbread houses if you wanted to. So I absolutely love how it turned out. I may make some more to eventually end up with that, but for now, let's get into the second cheap DIY. For this next DIY, you're going to start with one skewer out of this pack of bamboo skewers. So there's 100 in this pack, so basically so far you've spent 1 cent on this project. Once you take that out, I'm going to be using some brown, deep brown I think is what it's called, cream wax from Hobby Lobby. I've literally had this jar for forever. It lasts a really long time, and I'm just going to brush one coat over the skewer to kind of darken it up a little bit. Once you've painted your skewer, you need to decide on a base. So here are a couple of options I had laying around. These were the little birch logs that you could get from Dollar Tree. This is an Arteza. It's meant to be a wooden ornament, so these all have holes in it, but I've got several of these. This is the wood slice that Hobby Lobby sells that you can pick up if you want. And then this other one comes in a pack, again, from Hobby Lobby that is just a little more, I guess, refined. Alright, I went ahead and decided I'm going to be using that Hobby Lobby wooden slice, but for now I'm going to work on my sheet music. So this is just a free printable that I found online. I will link it down below. I kind of blew it up a little bit, and all I'm going to do is just basically mark at 4 1/4 at the top, and then from the bottom of the page just draw out a triangle. I thought about folding the paper in half and just cutting it, but I didn't want that crease down the middle of the paper. So like I said, 4 1/4 at the top, and then I will just draw out my triangle and cut it out with scissors. Now, starting at the top, I'm going to basically just fold this accordion style, just going all the way down till I hit the base of the tree. Is folded, I'm going to take this small hole punch. I got this at Office Max quite a while ago, but it's got really small holes. But if you don't have that, you could use a weeding tool. If you have a Cricut, an ice pick, you could gently poke your skewer through it. But basically, I'm just going to take a couple of folds at a time and hole punch it, and then just kind of line it up until I get it hole punched all the way through the tree. Alright, so now I'm going to mark my hole that I need to put in the center of my wood slice. So I'm just kind of going around the base of the skewer, and I'm using my wood burning tool. I can't really say why I thought I was going to get some kind of unique look by using this, but you could take the easy way out. Just drill a little hole. If you don't have a drill, you could use a screw and just screw it in and back it out, or even hammer a nail in there. But for whatever reason, I thought it would look better to kind of have a nice wood burned hole. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then once I get the hole, I'll be ready to start threading my skewer through my little paper tree. Now I'm just going to thread my skewer through the sheet of music here, and then I will secure it to the skewer with a little bit of hot glue on the back, and I will trim a little bit of it off, and then I'll be ready to put some hot glue in the little center hole of my wood slice and then attach my tree to the wood slice. Now I'm just going to add add some greenery that I had in my stash, as well as a little rusty bell. And I'm just going to hot glue these down to the base of the tree on the little wood slice, and then I'll end up tying a little twine bow for the top of the bell, and then this Christmas sheet music tree is finished. And here is my little music tree sitting on top of my piano. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love Christmas DIYs, and don't forget to check out Kat's channel, and stay tuned for some DIY shoutouts. Until the next time, see you guys later. Bye!
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.